Sophia, it's time to wake up. Sophia?
Mom,
Why are you still in bed? You're usually awake by now.
I don't feel very well.
What's wrong, dear?
My head hurts and I feel very tired.
You feel a little warm. Stay here. I'll call Dad. John, wake up!
Is something wrong? You sound worried.
Sophia is not feeling well. She feels warm and she looks very weak.
Does she have a fever?
I'm not sure yet, but I think so.
Let's go check her together. Good morning, Sophia.
Good morning, Dad. I don't feel good.
You feel quite warm, Sophia. I think you may have a fever. Maybe we should take her to the hospital, just to make sure.
Do we have to go?
Yes, just to check. We want to make sure you're okay.
Am I very sick?
Oh, sweetie.
It's okay, we're here.
Sweetheart, we should see a doctor to make sure everything is okay.
Yes, let's take her to the hospital now.
Sophia, are you feeling dizzy or uncomfortable right now?
A little, Mom. My head still hurts and I feel very weak.
We'll be at the hospital very soon. Take slow breaths.
I don't really like hospitals. They make me feel nervous.
Many people feel that way, but the doctor is there to help you feel better.
Will I need an injection today?
The doctor will first check you and then decide what you need.
Most of the time, a fever only needs rest and medicine.
There is nothing to be afraid of.
Okay, I'll try not to worry.
We are right here with you, and everything will be fine.
We're here. This is the hospital.
How are you feeling now, Sophia?
I still feel tired, and my head hurts a little.
The doctor will check you very soon. Let's go inside together. Let's sit here for a while until the doctor calls your name.
There are so many people waiting here today.
Yes, it looks a little busy, but we will patiently wait for our turn.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. My daughter has a fever and she has been feeling very weak since morning.
Please take a seat and wait here. The doctor will call you very soon. Thank you. We will wait here.
Mom, I feel very tired and a little uncomfortable.
Try to stay calm, Sophia. The doctor will check you and help you feel better.
I hope the doctor calls us soon.
Don't worry. We are right here with you, and everything will be all right.
Hello, Sophia. The doctor is ready to see you now. Don't worry, dear. We are coming with you.
Yes, we'll be right beside you the whole time.
Please follow me. The doctor will see you now.
Hello, please come in. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. My daughter has not been feeling well since early this morning. She woke up feeling very tired and said she had a headache.
I see. Thank you for explaining. Hello, Sophia. Can you tell me how you are feeling right now?
My head still hurts, and I feel very weak.
Do you have a sore throat or a cough?
No, just the headache and fever.
All right. Let me check you carefully. All right, Sophia. I'm going to check your breathing now. Your breathing sounds normal, which is a good sign. Now, I'm going to check your temperature using a small digital thermometer.
Is it going to hurt?
No. I will just hold it near your forehead for a few seconds. Your temperature is 38 degrees Celsius. That means you have a mild fever.
Is that something we should worry about?
No, it is not very high. It is slightly above normal. So she doesn't need to stay in the hospital? No, she can recover at home. She just needs rest and the medicine I will give you.
So I will feel better soon?
Yes, in 1 or 2 days, you should start feeling much better.
Thank you, doctor, for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. Make sure she rests well. I will write a prescription for Sophia. Please take this prescription to a pharmacy. They will give you the medicine listed here.
Thank you, doctor. How often should she take the medicine?
She should take this twice a day, morning and night after meals. And how many days should she continue taking it? For 3 days. If she doesn't improve, bring her back.
All right, we will follow your instructions carefully.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome, Sophia. Take care and get plenty of rest.
I'm really glad it's nothing serious.
Let's go home now so you can rest properly. Let's stop at the pharmacy first so we can buy the medicine.
Yes, it's better to get it now before we go home.
Are we going to the pharmacy near the hospital?
Yes, it's just a few minutes away.
Sophia, how are you feeling now?
I still feel tired, but I feel less worried.
Once you take the medicine and rest, you will feel much better.
We have arrived at the pharmacy. I'll go inside and buy the medicine. You both stay in the car. Hello. I need this medicine, please.
Sure. Let me check the prescription. Here is the syrup. Give it twice a day after meals.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $15.
All right. Here you go.
Thank you. Make sure she rests well and drinks warm fluids.
Thank you. Here is the medicine.
Will I need to take it today?
Yes, after you eat something at home.
We're almost home now.
Today was not an easy day for Sophia, but we are thankful that it was only a mild fever. I hope this story helped you learn some new English words and expressions.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more simple English stories.
Thank you for watching, and see you in the next story.